Stop underestimating yourself. Stop acting small. Nobody is bigger than you. Nobody is better than you. The only difference is belief. You are not behind. You are not unlucky. You are not forgotten. You are chosen. But here's the secret. You must choose yourself. You must choose yourself. The cats. Your problem is not lack of opportunities. Your problem is doubt. Nothing can stop you if you go 100%, man. Nothing. When you expect the best, you move different. When you expect good things, you speak different. When you believe life is easy, you stop fighting everything. Life becomes what you expect. Expect love, expect support, expect success, expect growth. The universe responds to certainty. So decide, from today, I move like someone who is already blessed, because you are.